Thank you so much for taking your time to check out my listing. I appreciate it. Fully renovated and ultra-convenient first floor, 2-bed 1.5 bath unit on water in highly desirable 55+ guard-gated community Century Village. 2022 floor-to-ceiling renovations include wood soft close shaker style cabinet kitchen, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator/microwave/oven/dishwasher/wine cooler, bathrooms, vanity/hardware/shower door, no popcorn, interior doors, ceiling fans, lighting, fixtures, waterproof Lux Vinyl floor, plantation shutters, custom closets, baseboards, electric outlets, new water heater and lanai accordion shutter. Private parking spot across from apartment. Century Village is an active 55+ community in a great location. Beautiful on-site theater, exercise facility.